Apart from using a Bluetooth connection or a USB cable, we still have alternative ways to send files from phone storage to a laptop or PC. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to send files from your phone to your laptop using a Wi-Fi hotspot network. To do that, we need the FTP Tool application. This application can be downloaded in Google Play Store. If it's already installed on the cell phone, run FTP Tool application. After that, activate the hotspot from the menu bar. We can activate it through the connectivity settings. If you have never set a network name and password, select Setup. So that you don't forget, type in a password that's easy to remember. If it is active, back to the FTP Tool application. From this IP in port, we can access storage device from laptop. Select Start to run it. And then there will be a notification FTP server is running. From the laptop that you want to connect to through the server, look for the name of the Wi-Fi hotspot that was created from the phone. If it has been found, select Connect. Type in the password. Select Next. Then select Yes to start connecting. If already connected, open File Explorer. In the address field, type the URL from the FTP Tool app. If you have typed it correctly, press the Enter key. And now memory storage on the phone can be accessed via laptop. In this app, we can't read the storage from SD card. We can only copy or move files from the device's internal storage. To copy files, we must know the folder name of the file. For example, I'll be copying some pictures and video. That's how to open phone storage from a laptop using the FTP Tool application. Thank you for watching, and see you again in another tutorial video.